Hey, what's up you guys? It's Brianna and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday summer makeup. It's basically going to be like this, so just something glittery and yes. So let's get into the video. I first started off with a fresh, clean face. My first step is concealer and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's a really good price and it doesn't crease during the summer. Now I'm going to take my knockoff beauty blender and just blend that in. This is super creamy and a medium coverage. I only use concealer because I'm not that big of a fan of foundation. It's time to set the concealer with the powder, which I use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and it's really nice and doesn't really have flashback. Mine's broken because I've dropped it, but you can easily fix this by adding alcohol and stirring it up and letting it dry. As for the brush, I'm using an Earth Therapeutics big fluffy brush. I have pretty full eyebrows already, but I use this brown shade that almost matches my eyebrow color, and I use it to fill in the end parts. And here I'm using another Earth Therapeutics brush. To finish up the brows and to keep them into place, I'm using this Great Lash mascara that is just clear. The contour is next. I'm using this Wet n Wild contour brush, I think. As for what I'm using to contour and bronze, it's just some random palette that my mom got me, so it's nothing that special. I'm using this all around my face to have a more bronzed look. Now don't forget about your neck because you don't want to have those double chins. For the crease of the eyes, I'm using this fluffy blending brush, also from Earth Therapeutics. From Tarte's Swamp Queen palette, I'm taking the shade Natural Peaches and just putting that onto my crease. It's just enough color for a little definition. The shade I'm using for the lid is #SFS. This brush actually came with the Swamp Queen palette. This works really well in packing on eyeshadows, especially when you're using glitters. I'm starting off my lashes by curling them. This curler was probably from the drugstore and really cheap. This works just as well and was definitely not $20. For the mascara, I'm using CoverGirl's Clump Crusher, and this is so amazing, especially if you have long eyelashes. The plastic brush just gets in between every single lash. I honestly always find myself coming back to this, even after trying so many mascaras. Highlight is next, which is my favorite part. This is what makes the glow happen. I mix these two shades together for a brighter look. The e.l.f. blush brush, that's hard to say, is so perfect for this because of the pointed tip of it. I think it was even $3 at Target, so you can't beat that. Definitely put this at the high points of your face, like your cheeks and nose. I add this to the inner corners of my eye to make me look more awake. To finish this up, I use a Revlon Kiss Tinted Lip Balm. And that's it. This is the finished look and it's super natural and super glowy. I'm definitely no professional. This is just what I do every day. Hope you enjoyed this routine. Very simple and pretty affordable. So check out my other videos. Give this a like and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya.